What's up guys, Kathy Olson here of Funnel Gorgeous, and today in this video I'm going to share with you how to create a sales funnel from scratch. A to Z, the path to funnel enlightenment. If you are brand new to funnels, even if you're somewhere in the middle, or even if you're somewhere in the end and you really want to see the full path, I'm going to share that with you today, and you're going to feel confident about moving forward on building your very first sales funnel. This is going to be chock full of links, basically resources for you to take it to the next level. So I'm going to explain which each level is. Step 1, do this. Step 2, do this. But then I'm going to give you a resource to walk you through that step, because this is not something that's easy to do. Is it cool, like, if I share with you how to build a money-making machine? You pump in, traffic and then money comes out? Yeah, sounds good, right? It's hard to do. It's not super simple, or else everybody would do it, but it's worth it. We've got you every step of the way. So let's dive in. Okay, so step number 1, you need to understand funnels, period. You need to understand them like the back of your hand. You need to understand the different types of funnels, when you would use different types of funnels, and what goes in each funnel. You need to know, like, the lingo, right? You need to start speaking the funnelese language and the way that we approach them as well. The resource I have for you to get to know funnels is the Funnels for Beginners. So it's a totally free course that we have. You go to funnelbeginners.com or just click the link below. Go there, watch it, sign up. The videos are split out into, like, by topic, but by the end of this class, you will understand, have a really good working understanding of funnels, how they work, why they work, and all the goodies in there. Step number 2 in building an awesome funnel is creating an incredibly irresistible offer. So you have to make something that people will buy, that they're excited to buy, that they understand that they need to buy, right? And so offer is very nuanced, and it's not super duper easy, and it's not super duper intuitive. We normally don't sell the way that you need to sell within a sales funnel. So it is important that you understand what makes a good offer, how to build a good offer. The resource for you that we have is Offer Cure. So amazing. It's such an amazing course. Right now it's $37. I know the price is going to go up soon, so you might get it for $47, but either way it's worth $470. I'll tell you, people that have gone through it have told us 1,000 times over it's amazing, but it will really help you build out a really good offer, a really good offer stack. Really will help you with the copy. We have templates in there. Go check it out, offercure.com. Check that bad boy out. It's one of the most amazing things that you'll take, and you can do it in just like a weekend. So the idea with Offercure is it's this really quick fix, and you can build an amazing offer. But your sales funnel cannot do well without a great offer. Offer is like the cornerstone, the foundation. Your offer will make or break your sales funnel. Step number 3 in building your sales funnel, once you're building it and launching it, and once it goes out, you need to understand, like, funnelytics, right? Like, you need to understand the behind the scenes, what kind of conversion numbers that you're looking for. What are you supposed to track? How do you read, these, they're like tea leaves. Like, how do you take these numbers and understand what's going on, what can be fixed, what needs improvement? It's very, very critical. If you don't know what any of these numbers mean, your funnel's just kind of be a sitting duck, right? It's just sitting out there. You don't really have any way to help it or fix it. And so that is the resource we have for you, is Funnel RX. So Funnel RX will kind of walk you through that process of the strategy, also just really help you build out which type of funnel that you should be choosing for your offer, but it will also help you in the other side of it to see if it is converting. So Funnel RX is an upsell. It's an OTO called a one-time offer on Offercure. So you can buy them both at once. So you can just go to offercure.com to buy them through that, or once you've already purchased, we have a membership area that you can also upgrade in there. But it's not sold alone. It's not like a standalone product, because it really goes hand in hand with Offercure, and that is $97. So step number 4 is getting amazing ad creative. So getting your Facebook ad set up and creating some ads around, that are actually going to sell your funnel. You could do it the slow approach, the snail approach, where you do organic traffic, which is totally cool, but it's going to take you a lot longer to get the same amount of traffic that you're going to need to get the money that you want to make, or just like the impact that you want to have. So Facebook ads puts it on a fast track so that you can get things done faster. The problem with Facebook ads is people think that it's all about, like, pushing numbers and kind of pulling levers. Well, that's some of it, but the ad creative is the biggest part of it, which is also the hardest part. You have to consistently come up with ad creative all the time. New angle, a new approach, a new new video, new design, new copy, right? So you're consistently, like that's the secret to consistently making money with a funnel and Facebook ads is new creative. The problem is nobody really teaches it. There's no amount of levers that can be pulled by an ad strategist that will fix bad creative. You will overspend every time. You will spend too much money. You will think that your funnel doesn't work. You'll think that your whole offer is bad when it really just was your ads and you just didn't have enough creative, or you didn't have good creative, right? We got you covered. AdGorgeous.com. You will get the whole kit and caboodle. You'll get actually the Ad Gorgeous course, which walks you through the steps of making some killer creative, how to come up with cool ideas, how to come up with micro angles, which micro angles can also be used in any other copy as well, any kind of content, but really, really good for ads, how to come up with the design, how to create the design. We have, ideas on how to use the templates that we sell as well. So everything that you need to know on creating consistently awesome and new creative all the time, like you're going to need once you try to start scaling those ads. As a free bonus, you also get the Ads That Click Summit. You get a ton of different interviews from some of the best ad strategists in the business, and they tell you all of their behind the scenes tricks and tips about how to create amazing Facebook ads and how to run ad traffic. And that is included totally free inside of Ad Gorgeous. They're basically bundled together because it's friggin' amazing. The next step is just kind of like in between all the steps, but you need all of the pieces to go into your funnel. So you're gonna need a funnel template, a logo design pack. You're gonna need some ad templates. If you're not already, a designer, you don't know how to design this stuff. You're also gonna need some social graphics, some promo packs for your organic traffic. And then you might also need a free download or like a lead magnet type of template. So all of these templates, you can either create totally on your own or from scratch, or the resource we have for you is we have them all in templates. So if you go to funnelgorgeous.com, you'll see all of these templates. We have different collections, and if you're having trouble or struggling and you're not sure which collection is the best for you, which design style is the best for you, we have a free quiz for you to take that will help you. It's at funnelg.com/quiz, or you can just check out the link below, and that will actually walk you through a whole series of design questions that will help decide which collection is the best for you. Anywhere along those first 4 steps that you're taking, you might need some of those. So those are going to kind of pop in whenever. If that's like a 4A, then here's a 4B. If you want to design your funnel from scratch, if you are a designer or you want to become a designer and you really don't want to use the templates, you can do that from scratch. Like you can just build it from scratch. We do have a resource for you there, which is the Funnel Gorgeous course. It's the original course that we started with. We started our business with. It was actually a course and then it turned into what you see today. It's an amazing course on building sales funnels and designing sales funnels. So how to take the copy that you've written and really break it up and make a really custom high-end designed sales funnel. That's at funnelgorgeous.com/open. Link in the description as well. Step 5 is building out your webinar and your sales presentation. If you're doing a regular sales funnel, you would skip that. But if you are doing specifically a webinar funnel is very specific and it has its own set of rules. You're gonna have to learn about presentation. You're gonna have to create a presentation. So really it's just usually just a bunch of slides and then you record it and it could be on demand or you could do it live. But that's gonna be the way you sell versus you're not going to sell on a sales page, you're actually going to sell on a webinar. The hardest part about building a webinar funnel is the presentation, building out the presentation, all the slides. What do you say? When do you say it? How do you deliver it? All those good things. And this is going to work really well for high ticket funnels. So anything like $1,000 and above, webinars are just yummy. So good. After step number 5, you're pretty dang good at funnels. I'm going to go ahead and say that you are very advanced at this point in your path to funnel enlightenment. So now what? What's step number 6 and or 7? Well, we actually have kind of 2 ways that people go. Remember, there's kind of 2 different types of funnels. One would be people who have info products, digital products, downloads, courses, that kind of thing. But there's also people who use funnels that are service providers. And so they're, selling either high ticket services or they're building funnels for other people. Like we really serve both. We serve people that have their own products and people who build funnels for people who have their own products. You might find yourself in one or the other. If you find yourself where you are building your own funnel and you need help launching it and getting it out to the world and you want to build this really big thing, maybe it's your 2nd funnel or 3rd funnel or 4th or 5th or however many funnels, and you really need expert help to move your business to the next level, that's where we got you with Launch Gorgeous. So Launch Gorgeous is a group coaching program. Enrollment, it happens usually about 3 or 4 times per year. It's 12 weeks. We walk you through every step of the way of launching your funnel. Week 1, you do this. Week 2, you do this. And we have homework along the way. It's an incredibly powerful thing, but it helps you build it from scratch. You could totally be a beginner, or you could be somewhere in the middle, or you could be at the end. We have kind of all people inside of Launch Gorgeous. It's like this intense kind of boot campy things where we all create it all together, and then it happens and we all launch together, and it's amazing and we love each other. The other track is if you are starting to build funnel for others, so you're actually selling this as a service. So a lot of people on this side, you really need to work out your business, like your business model. How are you going to sell it? What's your pricing? How are you going to find people? How do you provide this as a service? How do you write copy? How do you figure out offers? How do you take all these brands and build them something that's actually going to make them money? How do you build the money making things for other people, right? What does that look like on a grander scale? And that is where Funnel Gorgeous, or FG Society, comes in. FG Society is a certification program where we certify you as a triple threat master marketer in offer, copywriting, and design. You know all 3 of those things. You take an exam. It's the whole shebang. Only the best of the best get through. Anyone can learn the material and get amazing at it, but only a small few can get certified. You can pass through there, you go into our directory, and we just love the pants out of you, tell everybody about you, you get hired, fireworks go off, FG Society. So that is the path from funnel newbie all the way to master marketer. And we, Funnel Gorgeous, will be here for you every single step of the way. Make sure to click like and subscribe if you want to start learning a little bit more about funnels and how to make those funnels that you're creating highly converting and gorgeous. Check out our other videos. I will see you on the next one.